All right, so here we are in Greenfield, Indiana, and we are about to go and visit NineStar Connect, and we want to learn why these employees love working here.
NineStar is actually a collection of a couple of different companies. So initially, it kind of was founded in 1895 as a co-op phone company. In 2011, they ended up merging with Central Indiana Power, and that's when NineStar kind of became what they are today, the smart utility.
We offer TV, broadband, phone, water and sewer, and electricity. And we're a very unique utility in that we're the only one in the nation that has all of those services.
We don't exist without our customers, and our customers are the most important thing to us, and at that we want to be able to give our customers top-notch service. To do that, we have to be trained at what we do. We have to know what we're doing and be able to solve all of their problems.
One of the things that we like to focus for our employees is continuing education. It's not just something we promote, it's something that we require.
They've afforded us the luxury of having a flexible schedule, creating an environment that's conducive to learning.
NineStar here that supports our training, certifications. They're willing to pay for anything. You just go to like your manager and say, hey, I want to do this. If it's within your job purview, she's like, okay, well, let's go look at some training for it.
So NineStar really gives me the tools that I need to be able to go into training, get certified, be able to have the knowledge that I need to be able to take care of our customers.
All right, well, that was NineStar Connect, and they were one of over 350 companies who requested a visit on our road trip. We decided to surprise Mike Torres, an IP voice engineer at NineStar, with something extra special. He's a fan of Marvel and Texas Tech, so we decided to flip his cube to show our support during IT Pro Appreciation Week. Congrats, Mike, and thanks for requesting the visit on our road to ChannelCon. Well, we're off to the next stop, so see you there.